Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Bluetooth and location are on, and notifications are allowed. Open the Bluetooth Share app and grant permissions so it can scan. Tap Send to share a file or receive if you expect an incoming transfer. Once done, the app will begin scanning for nearby devices. Make sure the other device is discoverable. You should see device names listed quickly. If multiple devices appear, pause and verify the correct name before proceeding so you avoid sending to the wrong person. After selecting the target device, tap to pair and confirm the PIN on both devices. This secures the connection. Once paired, use the app's file picker to select items, tap photos, videos, or documents one by one, or use the multi-select toggle to send batches. Make sure to check transfer settings. Choose high speed for large files or battery saver for longer sessions. Then press send. You'll see a progress meter. Keep the devices close and avoid switching apps to maintain a stable transfer. To finish, wait until the app shows 100% and a confirmation message, then tap finish to complete the session. This ensures temporary files are cleared. Make sure the recipient opens and verifies the received files before closing the connection. If something goes wrong, first toggle Bluetooth off and back on, then retry the transfer. If that fails, restart the Bluetooth Share app and repair devices. As a troubleshooting tip, move devices closer and disable Wi-Fi if it's causing interference. Then repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.